Okay, so this is just a simple two-lot subdivision, which is had the XML imported, and so obviously you can see it's designed the parcels or created the parcels, and it's got a whole lot of marks in it. And so obviously on the left-hand side, we've got the toolbar, the workflow toolbar there, and we've got marks sort of a third of the way down, and that obviously has all the list of all the marks that have been captured. And we can see there we can expand, pop out the window to make it larger. We can make that, expand that right out. And obviously we can move that to another monitor if we want to. So I'd move it onto another monitor. You can move it around wherever you want to, resize it, that sort of stuff. But it has all the marked details that we're looking for in there. Um, we can actually use the spatial view itself just to select marks. So what I'm doing is left clicking on Masonry Anchor 6 there. If I right click on it, it gives me options to deselect it, obviously delete it, and obviously I can start linking it as well if I want to. So I could do that if I wanted to link it to start with. So what I'm doing is linking it to existing marks that are already in Landonline. And you can see when I hit the start linking, it obviously automatically puts in these orange marks, which are the ones, the existing marks in Landonline. So you can see that I have got one. If I zoom further into there, to that same mark, it has the captured mark number and the description of it. And you can see in Landonline already with the orange text, it has the mark name for the existing mark in Landonline. Just going to minimize that one again. So it says there, it explains on the right-hand side about mark linking. It obviously explains how to link the marks and that sort of stuff. So basically, I'm going to left click on the mark itself. That's selected the captured mark, and you can see it tells me that I'm starting the linking process by putting out the blue vector, or this vector that you can see here with a little solid circle at the end of it. What I'm going to do then is I need to select it to the existing node. So it's the existing mark in Landonline. I'm just going to left click again, and it's going to link that mark. I can see that it comes up with a message on the right hand side saying it was successfully linked. And it also has the blue box or the box around, square box around the marks to show that they have been linked. I can carry on doing that again for other marks if I wanted to. Want to link a boundary mark in the corner here. You can see, so what the linking does, that actually this is where the capture is at the moment. You can see the solid line and the number 5 there, which is my captured mark. You can see that it doesn't quite match with what's already in Landonline, and that's quite standard. And what linking is doing is basically saying this mark that I've captured as mark 5 is actually the same as this peg here, so it's the same position. So I need to link those two together to tell Landonline that they are the same positions. So again, I'm left clicking on mark 5, which is my captured mark, and you can see it gives me the same line that I can move around and select which mark I'm going to link it to. So again, I'm going to link it to this peg because I'm saying that it's the same physical position. You can see that it's going to do that. It says regenerating, and you can see it snapped them together. They're pretty close together. If I zoom in too far, you can see that they are slightly misaligned, but effectively they are linked, and it's confirmed by that square box around them. So you can see how it drags everything across. So it does drag the vectors across. So you can see those boundary lines now line up a lot closer with what's in Landonline. And that's the whole process of that for mark linking for there.